Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's top stories. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan says national education policy fulfills global aspirations of the youth. Fugitive pro-Khalistani leader Amritpal Singh arrested in Moga, Punjab, to be lodged in Assam's Dibrugarh jail. Saint Right holds Chad Sukra in Jaintia Hills. State Minister Kamingwan Imban praises Saint Right for its endeavour to preserve tradition of Panar people. Government to sanction 25 crore rupees to the West Jaintia District Sports Association development of the Kyang Nangba Stadium, informs Deputy Chief Minister Snehaw Bahalang Dhar. The news in detail. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated an exhibition at Bhubaneswar in Odisha today, showcasing the future of work and the need for new skills in a fast-evolving world. Addressing the gathering, the minister said the national education policy fulfills the global aspirations of the youth. The exhibition, held on the sidelines of the 3rd Education Working Group meeting under the G20 presidency, features technology leaders and academia displaying their perspectives and vision for the future of work.
India has captive market with its new aspiration. India has its own resource. Essentially, India is a knowledge society. 21st century is going to be a knowledge-based century. And India is going to lead on that. Lead role on that. And fortunately, we all are implementing NEP. NEP has a mandate and responsibility to look into the global aspiration.
In a joint operation of the Punjab Police and Intelligence Wing, pro-Khalistan preacher and Waris Punjab Chief Amritpal Singh, who has been on the run for a month now, was arrested from Rode village in the Moga district of Punjab this morning. Providing more details, Inspector General of Police Sukhchain Singh said the National Security Act warrants have been issued against him. After arrest, Amritpal Singh was taken to Bathinda Air Force Station, from where he was taken to Dibrugarh, Assam. Almost a month ago, Punjab Police issued a lookout circular and non-bailable warrant against Amritpal Singh. The annual festival of the Panar people of Jaintia Hills, Chat Sukra or Sowing Festival, was organized by the Saint Right today. The Jaintia people, particularly those belonging to the Nyamtre or traditional faith, took part in the festival with great fervour. The formal inauguration in the first part was held at Minkoi Purdi, Yongpya, in which Joai local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla graced the occasion as the chief guest in the presence of the Vice President of Saint Right, Hambinas Pasa, along with official members from Saint Right. The second part of the program was held at Yau Musyang in the presence of the Cabinet Minister in charge, Cooperation Department, Food, Civil Supplies and Home Guards, Kamingwan Imban as the chief guest, and Saint Right President O.R. Chalam. In his speech, Imban praised the people of Saint Right for their endeavour to preserve the tradition of the Panar community. Campaigning for the Karnataka Assembly polls has gained momentum, with Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai launching his election campaign in Bengaluru today after garlanding the statue of Basaveshwara, the 12th century social reformer whose Jayanti is being celebrated today. The Chief Minister said that irrespective of caste, creed and religion, he will seek a vote of all the people and promise to work for the deprived. AICC Karnataka in charge Randeep Singh Surjewala today announced that CPI will contest from 7 seats, and in the remaining 215 seats, the Communist Party will extend support to Congress. The state government has decided to sanction an amount of 25 crore rupees to the West Jaintia District Sports Association on the occasion of its Golden Jubilee. This was announced by Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar while attending the closing ceremony of the Golden Jubilee celebration of West Jaintia District Sports Association yesterday as the chief guest. He was accompanied by Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Shaklyar Warjari as the guest of honour, along with Joy MLA Wailad Miki Shilla and members from the West Jaintia District Sports Association. Dhar said that the money would be utilised for overall development of the Kyang Nangba Stadium in Joy. Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh Shillong today took out a road march in the city. A large number of RSS members took part in the road march, which is a warm-up for the 2025 centenary celebration of the RSS. The march, which started from Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School ground in Garikhana, culminated at Cantonment Ground in Garikhana. The 3-day All India Public Sector Chess Tournament 2023 kick-started at the State Convention Centre in Shillong on Saturday. Organised by the All India Public Sector Sports Control Board in collaboration with the Meghalaya Chess Association, the tournament will end on April 24th. The Secretary of the State Transport Department, Ethelbert Kharmalki, attended the inaugural program as the chief guest in the presence of Jian Batra, the General Secretary of All India Public Sector Sports Control Board, and other officials of the Chess Association of India and Meghalaya Chess Association, among others. And now for a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was recorded at 19.3 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 15 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 75%, rising to 95% in the evening, with rainfall measured at 10.2 millimeters. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan says national education policy fulfills the global aspirations of the youth. Fugitive pro-Khalistani leader Amritpal Singh arrested in Moga, Punjab, to be lodged in Assam's Dibrugarh jail. Sane riot holds Chat Sukra in Jaintia Hills. State Minister Kamingwan Umban praises Sane riot for its endeavour to preserve tradition of the Panar people. And government to sanction 25 crore rupees to the West Jaintia District Sports Association for development of the Kyang Nangba Stadium, informs Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.